Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Crypto Alaji from the city of Abuja, Nigeria. I am here to announce to you that at long last, Crypto Booming has been launched at exactly 3 p.m. Nigerian time on Friday, the 10th of January 2025. Preceding that launch was a pre-launch that took place at Cinderella Hotel at Jabi in the city of Abuja. So many leaders attended the event, like you'll be seeing from the pictures on the screen. We have the digital blockchain expert, that's Mr. Simon himself. We have the lady in the midst and also a cryptocurrency enthusiast, the great Lady Coin. We do have more dollar also who participated in that epoch-making event. We ended that program, as you can see from the screen, with a very delicious African cuisine. Like I told you earlier, yesterday, Friday, 10th of January at exactly 3 p.m., Crypto Booming was globally launched. Leaders from all around the 7 continents globally, in and around countries in Africa, across the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria, in all the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory, participated in the launching of 3:30 online, of 3 o'clock online, which was preceded by an official launch Zoom meeting. It was immediately after the Zoom meeting that the system went live and registration began, with so many leaders taking positions. And registration continues. Everyone here is a pioneer, and you too can be pioneer if you decide to take an action, not tomorrow, now. I mean right now. As you can see from the screen, let me allow you to have a sound and sight of what transpired on the day of the pre-launch and Cinderella Hotel at Jabi in Abuja. Have a nice viewing pleasure. Goodbye.
So, crypto booming. You cannot be in crypto booming and your life will not be crypto-wise. You will not boom crypto-wise. As I was listening to Crypto Alaji and the ways to earn is very, very motivating. But one thing is also sure, that whether you believe it or not, it doesn't change anything. Whether you believe it or you don't believe it, it doesn't what? Change anything. What changes something is your action. That is the whole thing. Now let me talk about the level he pointed out and all those things. It may not look clear to you for now. That is where leadership comes. When you come to leadership, there are 2 types of leadership. visionary leadership. And those people are the people who can see big things in a fraction, like in a small way, where it makes no sense at that time. They can see it. Meaning they can see like use the word, the ending before even the beginning. Right? Those are the leadership categories. Where I and some people like I don't want to start calling them because they are good. To be honest, they are good. Those ones are good. They are vision carriers. If they come here, they will go. Right? They're like, you guys are joking. But when crypto booming G-50 leaders are now already men, they're like, they can see cars flowing, they can see a lot of, they can not come in. They are visionary carriers. Right? Those things we have, we can come in at that time. They are also good leaders. They're not carry it and run. By that time, you are resting. Because your jobs are free. Can you put your hands together for yourself? Can you put your hands together for yourself? So those are leaders. They're on the way. They are coming. And I believe so many of them we are complicated, but they can't see nothing at this moment. Right? But it's okay. So all I have to do is the vision has been written down. Please, ladies and gentlemen, leaders, let's run with it. Thank you very much.
That was not enough. Drift. Check your wallet. Check your phantom wallet. You see, Drift, before I come to Reef, Radium. Radium is a dex on phantom wallets. Radium, when I told people to buy Radium, Radium was $1. $1. Radium, as I talk to you now, is $5. That's 500 watts percent. And host of others that is it Dev, is it Camino, Drift, Camino, and a host of others that are recommended to people free of charge, and they make a lot of money. Now we are not talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. That's not what we're talking. We're talking about what is happening now, and we have what it takes to recommend coin this morning, and in the night you are making profit already by the special grace of God. So you becoming crypto booming is not just a name, like some people bear name and they don't even have wallets. I've gone to Anambra before. I saw somebody say, Okechukwu Bitcoin. Okechukwu Bitcoin. Where do you trade with? Okechukwu Bitcoin doesn't have one. And it's very Okechukwu.
When it becomes a gossip, the coin will just sign up so they promote. What will I promote? You are not giving me what I'm looking for something. And when I see that thing, I go in body, soul, and spirit, and I found that thing I'm looking for. Okay, and that thing is what? Crypto booming. Crypto what? Booming. So please let's boom together. Because I don't want to make this money alone.
Yeah,
just alone, die alone is not my slogan. My slogan is winners don't quit and quitters do not win. Slow and steady, win you win.
Yeah, the crypto boom is the new era into 2025.
The best of blockchain.
Crypto booming is time to catch us. Crypto booming is here to make my bull run a huge success.
Crypto booming for us to boom, boom, boom. Crypto booming is our new turn to
Crypto booming is our time to add value to the society and give back to the community.
What does crypto booming mean to you?
Crypto booming means the boom, the boom, the boom everywhere.
What does crypto booming mean to you, brother?
Make money, make wealth, be crypto oriented.
Crypto booming, what does it mean to
for us
you?
to make our real money.
Crypto booming! Boom, boom, boom! Crypto booming! Boom, boom, boom! Hoorah! Crypto booming! Crypto booming! Hoorah! Crypto booming.
Hoorah!
Let's do so long. What's that all?